Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 10th, as you know that from last 5 days we have been discussing a lesson of your English book, that is Bohli, a short story. Up to that we came to know that Bohli is a simple girl whose parents are very much worried how to get her married because she is having ugly face and some pock marks were on her face. That is why they were very much worried how to get her married. And later on, the concerned Tahsildar is opening a primary school in that village, and he asked Ram Lal, his father, who was basically a mukhya, nambardar of that particular village, and he asked him that he has to set an example. First of all, he has to admit their daughters in the school. Later on, people will follow them. And now we will see yes, Bohli felt as if suddenly all the bells in the village temple were ringing and the trees in front of school house had blossomed into the big red flowers. When her teacher told her, Bohli, go home, and tomorrow you have to come early in the morning for further schooling. When Bohli heard these words from her teacher, she felt that just the bells of the temple were ringing for her, and the trees in front of the school, and the trees which were in front of the school, they had blossomed, they had flushed into big red flowers. Flowers have come out on these trees. Her heart was throbbing, her heart was beating. Throbbing means beating, with a new hope. She was having a new hope and a new life, and these kind of words gave her न्यू होप एंड न्यू लाइफ. यानी उस्ताद ने जब उसको शाबाशी दी, उनको इनकरेज किया, उसे लगा कि शायद जो है ये भगवान ने उसके ऊपर अपनी रहमतें बरसाई है, और उसको लगा कि जैसे ये जो ट्रीज़ उसके सामने थे स्कूल के सामने, उनको बड़े बड़े फूल निकल आए. यानी इसको एक नई किस्म की ज़िंदगी दिखने को मिली, और उसको एक नई उम्मीद उसके दिल में जाग गई. Thus the years passed. Now the years passed. With this, the village became a small town. After that particular village in which Bohli was living, that village became a town. ये बाद में एक कस्बा बन गया. The little primary school became a high school, and the little primary school that has been opened in that village, that was upgraded and it became a high school, secondary school. There were now a cinema under a tin shed and a cotton ginning mill. So there were, in that village, there was a cinema hall in which these movies were the people were watching movies, and there was a cotton ginning mill, and a cotton mill was there. The mail train began to stop at their railway station. So there was a railway station in that village also. The post office train that began to stop in their railway station. One night after dinner, Ram Lal said to his wife, "Then shall I accept Bishimbar's proposal?" One night, Ram Lal and his wife, they were in their home, and Ram Lal asked her, told his wife that he is going to accept the Bishimbar's proposal. Proposal means offer. बिशंबर वहाँ पर एक आदमी था, उसने उसको ऑफ़र किया था कि वो उसकी बेटी यानी बोली के साथ शादी करना चाहता है. Yes, certainly, his wife said. His wife told Ramlal that surely you have to accept his proposal. Boli will be lucky to get such a well-to-do bridegroom. Boli will be lucky. She would be uh, of great luck would be for her if such a person, if a well-to-do person, means a rich person like Bushumbar will marry with her. a big a big shop, a house of his own, and I hear several thousands in the bank. The Ramlal's wife told him that he's having a shop, a big shop, a house of his own, and also he's here. Bushumber is also having his own house and several thousand rupees in the bank. Moreover, he is not asking for any dowry. Moreover, Bushumber is not asking for any kind of dowry from them. So this would be a very great opportunity for them to get Boli married. That is right, but he is not so young. Almost the same age as I am, and he also limps. Ramlal told his wife that that's a great thing that he's a rich man, he's having the house, he's having the several thousands of rupees in the bank, but he is not a young person. He is of his age, means he's Ramlal's age. His age is just like Ramlal's age, and he also limps. Limps means a slow and backward way of walking. He's limping, यानी वो लंगड़ा है, थोड़ा लंगड़ा रहा है, और वो बूढ़ा भी है. Moreover, the children from his first wife are quite grown up, and furthermore, he's having the children from his first wife. They are grown up. They are very adults. So, what does it matter? His wife replied. Now, after that, his wife replied to him that it doesn't matter for 45 or 50. Whether a man is 50 or 45, it is no great age for a man. So it is not a great age for a man. It is not the great age for a man if he is 50 or 45. We are lucky that he is from another village and does not know about her pockmarks and her lack of sense. So we would be lucky. They are lucky because Bushumbar is not from their village. He is belonging to other village, and he may not be knowing about the Boli's pockmarks, that she is ugly, she is not having a good look, and she is also having lack of sense. इस बारे में उसको कोई पता नहीं होगा. If we don't accept this proposal, and his wife told him that if they don't accept this kind of proposal, she may remain unmarried all her life, and she would not be married. She would remain unmarried for all his life. So this is a great opportunity for her to get married, and the man is no doubt the man is old. He's having more age, but he's rich. He's well-to-do. He's having money. He's having his own home. So this is a great opportunity for them to get Boli married. Yes, but I wonder what Boli will say. Now the father Ramlal is telling his wife that he's wondered what would be the Boli's response. मुझे डर है कि बोली इस बारे में क्या कहती है. What will that witless one say? What will that foolish, witless means foolish, she is a foolish, and what will that foolish girl say about this kind of proposal? She is like a dumb cow. She is just like a dumb cow. वो एक गाय की तरह है. Dumb cow. Maybe you are right, muttered Ramlal. Ramlal muttered. Muttered means to speak quietly. धीमी आवाज में रामलाल ने बोला, Maybe you are right. आप शायद सही कह रही है. In the other corner of the courtyard, Boli lay awake on her cot. So इन द अदर कॉर्नर ऑफ दिस कोर्टयार्ड, इस सहन के जो दूसरा वाला हिस्सा था, बोली वाज देयर बट शी वाज अवेक, शी वाज वेक, शी वाज वेक अप, शी वाज she was listening to their parents what whispered conversation they were whispering each other. Their parents means Ramlal and his wife, they were whispering each, having whispering conversation, यानी वो काना फूसी की बातें कर रहे थे आपस इस बारे में, but Boli was listening all that. So I think this is sufficient for today. तो यहाँ तक आपने देख लिया कि बुशम्बर नाम का एक आदमी जो है उसकी उम्र जो है बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, वो उसका प्रपोज़ल आता है बोली की शादी के लिए. अब देखते हैं बोली की रेस्पॉन्स क्या रहेगी, ये इंशाल्लाह हम कल देखेंगे. थैंक यू.